Don't even help me. You just.
I'm helping you right now.
Oh, babe!
I'll take that one. Come on, babe.
No, I'm getting you. Look at this.
You getting me?
Yeah.
I'm sure you are. What's up, guys, and welcome to another Just Live vlog. Today we woke up craving a breakfast sandwich. So me and Tia here decided we're gonna come up with a plant-based
Sausage, egg, and cheese sandwich.
sausage, egg, and cheese sandwich. So let's get to it. What do we have here? We have some
Veal Life.
Veal Life sliced cheddar cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, I'm actually excited.
That would be really good, like melted
Melt it
on the egg. And
Yeah,
then we're
'cause-
gonna use
So like
tofurkey.
a tofurkey plant-based original sausage, Italian. Let's get it. I'm
I
excited.
think we'll like
for this.
chop that and then slice it thin.
Okay.
I think this will be good for
So
two sandwiches.
we would chop it in half,
and then slice
it,
so we can
flatten
like
it
lay
out.
it.
There we go.
C's in the middle.
Great minds think alike. We got some just egg, folded egg. So
This is my first time using this.
Okay.
I have never seen this before. I'm super excited to try this. So it's like
it's
four
yeah,
pieces.
Yeah. So it comes with 4 folded plant-based
like
eggs.
this.
So it's already pre-made.
Yeah.
So we can't fail this.
No, I'm sure we probably just like put it on, get it hot, add some seasoning, and then it's just already cooked for us.
So we usually use the
liquid
liquid
form.
base that comes in a bottle of just egg. We would make the egg and
You mean me. You don't even like the scrambled eggs.
I guess so. Yeah, she's kind of right. I did like it for the fried rice that we made, but that was really good. We'll save that for another time. But today we'll use the folded egg. We got some baby spinach here from Trader Joe's.
Greens, always.
Always got to use some greens.
What else do we
What
have?
do we have here for bread? We got some multi-grain rustico bread. Rustico bread.
Rustico.
Exactly.
Rustico bread. But you can use any bread.
Also, we got 4 tomatoes, little guys.
That's all we have left.
This is all we have left, so we can't mess this up. And then some onion.
I think it'll be good. Sausage, egg, cheese, onion, tomato, greens.
Greens. I think we got it. I think we got it in
Okay.
the bag. Also, we have in the oven already cooking some hash browns.
You're gonna put hash brown on yours. I'm gonna do mine.
No, you can just have it on the side. Like if you have a breakfast sandwich and you say like you go to McDonald's, you order a #2 sausage McMuffin. Like I used to love that stuff. And what comes with that? A hash brown on the side. You don't have to put it in the sandwich. So it comes as a side. She's never had that before, which blows my mind.
I've had McDonald's.
All right, so you had a.
I've had their. I thought you were saying let's put it on the sandwich.
Oh well, I mean you can, but I don't think.
And like make it thicker.
Could try.
But I don't know if
try
it's
it
gonna
out.
go with the
I'm gonna try it out.
Rusticchio
I'm
bread.
just gonna try it out. Just because we thought of the idea to do it. We're just gonna be creative in a sense and create it. So
All right.
let's go.
Do you want me to do
we
the
need-
egg? And do you want to slice that?
Yeah, so I could slice this. You work on the egg because it's pretty simple. You just throw it on the pan.
Are you saying I'm gonna do the egg because it's simple?
No, I think you're an amazing cook. I'm just saying, it just makes it simple. You just throw it on.
That was on camera, so we'll rewatch that back.
Yeah,
Ooh.
but look, see, it's simple. Like it comes with like packaged in these plastic bags.
They're actually really cute.
And they looks like egg. Kind of weird to me though to grab out of a plastic. Oh, it smells really good.
Doesn't it?
Yeah, we might go through this.
It
today.
said just egg and standard toaster and heat it on high for 6.5 minutes. You can toast it, skillet, oven, or microwave it.
But we're gonna
Never
skillet.
microwave
No,
it.
No, please don't.
I'm
But
just gonna.
We're gonna skillet. We're gonna throw in this. We actually just got a new skillet from our place. It's ceramic based. The thing is amazing. It has a strainer and then a spatula that attaches to the pan. It's really cool. We're gonna cook the sausages on here. I'm gonna cut these. So I'm gonna cut the sausage in half. She's gonna get
Ooh,
the
they
eggs.
feel weird.
I would assume they would feel weird.
No, they feel like.
Look at that. This knife is so sharp. I cut myself once using it. So
I've
you
never
gotta
cut myself cutting.
Yeah.
Ever.
But-
Ever.
She cuts dangerously.
And if we want to refer back to the first video, still to this day, savage in the kitchen.
Yeah, that's what she said. So I'm cutting this in half. Open this up. So we have it like a sausage patty style. That one. Guys, write down in the comments what's your favorite breakfast sandwich. What do you like to make? maybe we can make a plant-based version of the styles you guys like to have. Because I know there's just so many different types of breakfast sandwiches.
What sandwiches do you like?
Me?
Yeah.
For breakfast sandwiches,
Like
I've always...
before you were plant-based.
Before I was plant-based, I always love a sausage, egg, and cheese.
From where?
On like an everything bagel or... Yeah.
I'm gonna season up the eggs with salt, pepper, and garlic.
Ooh.
And we should throw some seasonal salute
On this?
on this.
Alright, so we're gonna season the sausages. Push them down. It already has like a little
Also,
peppers to it.
I can use my green onion.
Guys, we've been growing green onions at the house. Super simple. If you buy green onions at a grocery store, when you cut the onions, keep the roots, and you cut the root from like right here. You see this little white stem here with the roots underneath? You just throw it in a cup of water and watch it grow.
It's actually fascinating to see how quickly
you
they
see
grow.
it grow really fast, like in a couple days. It's pretty cool.
Because I actually was cooking the other day and I ran out of green onion. I was like, have to use the one I'm growing, but it came back super quick. They grow really fast. It's like overnight.
They caught up to the other one.
Yeah, that'll be nice with the egg.
Alright, so now we just threw the sausages in the pan. We put some vegan butter to cook it with.
Woo! Look at that color though. Golden.
Yeah. Never mind this little red part of the aluminum foil.
Yeah, that's, remember when you did that?
Oh, what happened?
I just scraped my knee.
Yeah?
With the... And you're just... Don't even help me, you just...
I'm helping you right now.
Oh, babe!
I'll take that one.
Damn right you're gonna take this one. 2-second rule.
Yeah, I was like in 2 seconds. Let's see if she can do it without dropping it.
Chef
she did
T.
it.
Okay, so
Chef
this
T.
one is mine.
Okay.
Now we know who
That was a
ripped
fail.
this hole.
You know, I was trying to hold the camera and move the hash brown. That was a big time fail. I didn't do too well. She's so aggressive to me. But you know what? It's great. She's amazing. Can't complain. Alright guys, so we chopped the onion.
Yeah.
What is she putting up behind me right now?
I'm getting the chopsticks out of the cake.
Getting chopsticks out of a box of cake. Out of my birthday cake. Yes, my birthday cake was absolutely insane. Vegan too. And she's eating it.
Still really good.
Alright, so I cut my tomatoes up into thin slices to even it out throughout the sandwich. She's gonna put the cheese on the egg. Right?
Honestly, once you find the right cheese for you, plant-based is like so easy.
Yeah, I feel a lot of people feel like they need their cheese.
You need the cheese, and you need, what else do you guys need?
Cheese and a meat replacement.
You need that texture of heavy meat.
Which we've been working on. We've been trying to figure out the best solutions for meat replacements, because we want to also come up with different dishes that everybody loves, and we can make it to a healthier.
I mean, the hamburger helper that we made.
The hamburger helper we made was amazing.
Shepherd's pie.
Yes, the shepherd's pie I made was
That was actually really good.
Yeah,
I didn't help.
You didn't know?
I was very.
It was a good first time trying it, coming up with my own way of how to do it. Worked out really well. The Alfredo pasta was amazing. We're working on perfecting that one.
We just need a thicker texture to it.
Yeah. So I think once we figure that out, where it's more creamy.
Yeah, it's the creaminess.
The creaminess of it, because the mushrooms, they slap with the pasta. Everything else goes perfect. Mm-hmm. It's just once we get that one little creamy taste of it, where it's not pasty. Not pasty, yeah.
Not pasty, it's just like light. And Alfredo's supposed to be heavy.
Yeah.
Like it's a heavy dish.
Spaghetti and meatballs, got that on lock.
I actually want to try to do a bolognese, but instead of using fake substituted meat that may have soy or stuff in it, I want to do it with lentils. and kind of cook the lentils to be that meat, and then put red sauce over
really
it.
Good. Guys, come up with ideas. We got tacos we've done on lock.
Tacos, burgers are locked down. Italian sausage is on the menu. What else do we have?
There's so much.
Now you need to do your calzone.
Yes, I'm gonna come up with a calzone. We've done pizza. I want to do a really good like loaded calzone.
We actually did a really good sausage pizza. I was really excited about that. I had like 3 pieces right when it was ready.
At first, when she came out of the room and I was making the pizza, she was panicking. She didn't know what was going on. She was just super skeptical of what I was doing. I was like, listen, let me cook.
No, actually, I leave the kitchen because I can't visually see how you cook. It makes me wanna.
Yeah. It's fine. It's
like this part, you should edit it and then have like fire just coming up as I'm in that. Thought process, because that's how my mind works.
Secretly record me as I cook one day without me knowing, and we'll see how it
I'll just upload it to your channel.
We'll just upload it to my channel. How's the eggs looking?
Alright, the eggs are looking smashing. I'm gonna cover them because this will get the cheese to really melt down. And the bread's ready.
So it's lightly toasted.
Okay, they made it to the counter. This makes you want to dance. I'm so excited.
She's so excited to eat this breakfast.
I literally woke up like I want an egg and cheese sandwich.
Alright, so Tia is amazing at dressing food.
Plating.
I must say. Plating.
I think it makes you want to eat it more when it just looks, aesthetically pleasing to the eye.
Yeah.
I think it's worth the extra 10 minutes to plate it, because then you could take an Instagram picture. So it's like you want it to already just look nice, So are we going to put
look at that melted cheese.
Are we going to put yours with the...
Let's try it. I'm down. And the hash brown on top of that. Oh, you're gonna do it too?
Nice. Well,
look at that. Teamwork. Make the dream work.
Oh, I kind of need this. Get some greens on there. The hardest part is getting the greens to stay still.
Yeah.
I always want to do the most. Look at this one. Running.
Are you gonna have any type of sauce on yours? I'm thinking I might put some sriracha sauce on mine.
Alright, you want to grab me the sriracha?
Yes. Trader Joe's sriracha sauce.
I actually don't think I want this on mine.
Okay, that's fine.
I think I just want mine
good attempt.
The classic way, and then I'll just eat this on the side. But I want to try a bite of yours with it on it.
Oh, you want a bite of mine plus yours? Okay. It looks super tasty though.
Sriracha? Sriracha me. Get that drip. Get the drip, get the drip.
I'm so excited for this. Alright guys, so she's getting hers on the plate. You got your hash brown. She brought mine's over already. She's such a nice person. Looks so good.
Hash brown with a little bit of cheese.
I'm excited to try it out.
I'm gonna try it first.
Yeah.
Since I'm already in position. So mine just has sausage, egg, and cheese, tomatoes, red onion, and greens. Hitting the spot.
Is it hitting the spot? Do you really like it?
I actually really do. You wanna try it?
Yeah, I'm gonna try it. Look at the sauce dripping out. Oh, and my leaf. Put that back in there. I have my hash brown inside my sandwich. The egg is really good. I like the hash brown attachment to it, but I got sriracha sauce all over my lip. I could probably use it more as a side because I want to be able to, the sausage to complement the egg more. But besides that,
Poppin'?
Alright guys, thank you for watching the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, show some love in the comments. Let me know if you guys tried out your own version of a plant-based breakfast sandwich. This is so good, guys. I'm gonna finish this. We'll call it a day. Peace out.